don't understand. Okay, I don't understand. I just saw a Facebook post. I think it was Angel Locsin's birthday. Marami nagko-comment happy birthday whatever, pero there was a select few were saying sayang siya. She's not in her prime anymore. When she was in her prime, she was so maganda, she was so payat. Oh my god, you're gonna fat shame and be ageist to the Angel Locsin? You shouldn't be. Firstly, hindi mo dapat gawin yan kahit kanino, okay? Pero kay Angel Locsin, do you not know who you're talking to? She has talent. She has money. She's successful. Ikaw, anong ambag mo? At least kung magiging mayabang ka, dapat may maiyabang ka. You know? You know what I'm saying? Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? I don't know. Hindi ko maintindihan kung saan nila nakakuha yung audacity nila para maging hater. Umayos ka? I don't like your energy. Layas!